Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your NB Miata. Before you begin, always ensure your car is on a flat, level surface. Safety is paramount, so engage your parking brake and use wheel chocks on the wheels that remain on the ground. We will cover the correct jacking points and the essential steps to keep you safe throughout the process. Let's get started. To raise the front of your Miata, locate the central jacking point, which is a reinforced cross-member directly under the engine cradle. Carefully position your hydraulic jack beneath this point, ensuring the jack pad is centered. Slowly pump the jack, raising the front of the car until it reaches your desired height. Once elevated, place two sturdy jack stands under the designated frame rails, just behind the front wheels, for maximum stability. For the rear of your NB Miata, the central jacking point is the differential housing. Position your jack directly under the differential, making sure the jack pad is centered on its flat, reinforced area. Begin to slowly raise the rear of the car, maintaining control throughout the lift. Once the car is at the desired height, carefully place two jack stands under the reinforced pinch welds, located just in front of the rear wheels, to support the vehicle securely. After completing your work, it's time to safely lower your Miata. First, slightly raise the car with your hydraulic jack, just enough to relieve pressure from the jack stands. Carefully remove the two jack stands from beneath the vehicle. Then, slowly and steadily lower the car completely to the ground by releasing the jack. Once fully lowered, remove the jack and wheel chocks. Always perform a quick visual inspection before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.